Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
So you take it.
So this week on Girl Talk, we're going to be talking about guilty pleasure. Yeah?
Guilty pleasure or guilty pleasure?
Azure, upon this word, just
okay. That have two separate connotations.
The definition, it says something such as film, television, or piece of music that one enjoys despite feeling that it is not generally held in high regard.
Really?
Can be trash TV, garbage food, popping pimples.
Yeah.
Something we're ashamed to admit to because they're silly, embarrassing, frivolous, gross, or considered a waste of time.
Harris, this is too easy.
And money.
So your guilty pleasure?
It depends. It's a number 4.
TV.
It's a number. So let's do the numbers.
I thought I was a TV watcher until I met this lady.
TV, man. I watch holy TV.
You watch everything.
On TV? Yes.
Local?
Yes.
International?
Yes.
Otherworldlian?
Yes.
Intergalactic?
Yes, man.
Me can't find no more.
TV for watch.
Where that come from?
Watching TV?
So I realized there's a Real Housewives of Potomac.
Yes.
No?
Yes. There's a Real
What is wrong
Housewives of
with
Potomac.
you? Where is Potomac even?
Potomac is close to the DC area. So you have Orange County, you have Potomac, you have New York, you have Atlanta. Which other one you have?
Is there a Miami?
No.
Not yet.
No, there's no Miami.
Is there a DC?
Potomac covers that one. Yes.
So what is it? What do you get out of those?
Amusement.
Shows? Is it?
Yeah, man. When it becomes too, you know, confrontational and they're fighting and then them can lose me. That's not why.
Is it the drama? Is it the gossip? Is it the?
Well, I don't even know if it's gossip because some of the things I read them before them come on the show, and then they're on the show saying, "I'm telling you this because I don't want anybody to know me." I said,
"You're on a yeah.
Somebody gonna know."
So if you're big on reality shows, did you watch The Apprentice?
No, I didn't watch The Apprentice because it's not fun. I only watch the entertainment things.
Depends on who you ask. Yeah.
I work hard, you know. So many things I watch if it not gonna entertain me. I don't really watch it.
So how you decide? I mean, sorry, this is like a one. But last night you went home and you watched Madea.
Yes.
So how you decide like on which day what you're going home to? Because some of the things I hear you come here and talk the next month that you're watching, I'm like, that is so random.
Madea, I was just leafing through and I see Madea and I said, "Oi, Tyler Perry."
And you will literally watch TV until it's time to come here.
If it interests me, watch it till it's done. Like I watch
Ginger.
The Mummy. So I always watch The Mummy. So I kept seeing The Mummy. And I said, why are they showing about The Mummy? Till I realized it's the one with Tom Cruise in it. I'm like, Tom Cruise in The Mummy? Let me see this. I was like, woo. Anything with Vin Diesel. Woo.
Or Van Diesel. As never would have used to call him.
Yeah, me have to watch them. Shamar Moore and SWAT.
Yeah. Chicago Med, you're still trying to get over that.
No Med, Chicago.
Fire.
PD.
Oh. Wow. Everything.
Our producer says we didn't say number 1, which was eating junk food.
Oh, that's not my guilty pleasure. I don't.
What's Simone?
Junk food. KFC is not junk food. What's wrong with you guys? It's not junk food.
All I'm gonna say is if you think it's just Simone guilty pleasure, today being Tuesday.
What? 7 pieces of chicken for under $1,000?
Drive past some KFC.
Okay, it's not just me.
From now, you can't get in. Marvin or shop up him.
I don't know what he's talking about. Yeah. Junk food. Blowing off plans.
I don't know if it's a guilty pleasure or a necessity.
I don't make many plans, so I don't really have to blow off many.
If it's a necessity.
No.
Eating way too much chocolate, that's not me.
Negative.
That's not me.
Binge watching.
Girl.
TV,
Binge watching
maybe,
reality
but not
TV.
reality TV.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, that's there.
Love and hip hop and this is Spice last night a fight.
Is number 5 really a thing? Reading people's text messages over their shoulders?
Yes, people do it.
That's not a guilty pleasure, that's a illness.
People do it. You take out your phone and you look to the person beside you.
So that's why people wear that privacy screen.
Yeah, so I tell them, so one time I go and go type on my, well, Mrs. Them a look, me I go say, how much to owe be the person sitting beside me?
If you're trying to read somebody's text message, what you find there should really serve you a good sauce.
Come on.
Walking around the house naked or natural.
Is that a guilty pleasure?
If it is, then I might be guilty of it.
I might be guilty of it.
Yes, especially in this summer air. Oh God, sometimes you want to take off your skin on top of your clothes. All right, cooking in the microwave. There's this video that's going around with this lady who's cooked her breadfruit in the microwave. Have you seen it?
I saw her take up the plastic bag. She's getting a really hard time and I'm wondering
why.
I saw her take up the plastic bag and then I stopped watching it.
But it's expeditious. What's the problem?
A plastic bag in a microwave?
So maybe you remove the plastic bag? And
can't right.
Anywho.
Plastic bag in a microwave.
But you're against microwave cooking generally? You can cook bacon in the microwave for 3 minutes and
I wouldn't cook in I can warm something up, but I don't cook in a microwave.
You can cook chicken in there if you want.
I don't like cooking in a microwave. I warm something up, but I'm not going to cook in a microwave.
Because...
See her there with her plastic bag about she roast breadfruit?
She did roast it. And she didn't bust a sweat. She said,
she might be busting some toxins.
She said, ladies, when your husband comes home, he will say to you, oh, you did this all for me? And you still look so cute? She did.
She said that to her husband, so you did this for me, you still look so cute?
Yeah. Yeah.
She put the plastic bag in the microwave. Me wouldn't recommend say nobody do it though. Okay. The resounding wait.
No.
Sleeping in.
Guilty. Sleeping period.
Getting toe massages. No.
Pedicures, yes. I like those.
But toe massage. Attracted to guys with an accent. Bonjour, comment allez-vous?
I actually like a man with a British accent. Like Idris.
Comment allez-vous?
Idris has got the Welsh accent. Or Australian.
French.
Hello, mate.
Yeah.
I like the Australian accent as well.
African.
Nice rhythm. Rhythm is good.
Nice rhythm.
But
buongiorno.
The
Italians.
The French when
the Italians.
The French is the language of the Leo.
The Italians.
It's very sexy when they speak it. They got to go glotter.
Oui.
Like
Parlez-vous français?
Here is in their throat.
Parlez-vous
excuse me.
You know, but no accent sexy like a Jamaican.
Yard man.
Yeah, man.
Baby.
Yard man them. Yard man them talk some things you have to wonder where them get them from. Me say one day Arby himself, baby, a pure hot water you're bathing and not sure. I didn't know what to do with it.
Why?
I don't know, Simone, I didn't ask.
Because you're hot.
I don't know.
Because you're hot.
Him say a pure hot water you're bathing and not sure.
It don't have to make sense.
What does that mean?
They say thanks.
Good morning, Buffalo. I said Buffalo. Good morning, Buffalo. He watches us every morning. No, Buffalo don't tell me that. Buffalo would have tell me if he could have tell me, but me that's not yelling him.
Okay. I'd like
the Windies Women's Championship is on. Yes, at Sabina Park. Girl Talk done long time. You need to tell me to come off about half hour ago. Trinidad and Tobago versus Guyana, 9:30 at Sabina Park. Jamaica versus Windwards at Kensington Park at 2:30. Barbados versus Leewards at Sabina Park at 6:30. I'm gonna go out, go support the Windies.
So look here, is hot water you bathing for true?
I don't know what that means.
You ever eat her?
I don't know what it means.
Maybe if you did, that's true, she's steaming.
Always bathing in hot water.
Steaming hot. That's it for girl talk.
What that mean?
Steaming hot. You're steaming hot.
Ferran does a laugh and a shit.